In this lesson, we're gonna learn how to create loaders in React Native. First, let's clean this code. Let's remove this and remove this too. And let's import our activity indicator component. Activity indicator. This is the component you can import from React Native to create a loader. So now let's use it here and press save. Look, that's the loader in Android and that's the loader in iOS. Let's create another one and give him size of large. There is a small or large. You can use the large one. Look, now we've created right now one is bigger. Here's in Android and here's in iOS. You can also change their colors using the color property. Color, we can make it darker blue. We can make it blue. Look, we have here, as we see here, a blue loaders. Can make it green. Now you can see green loaders.